Okay, so what you're looking at right now is my actual net worth. This is all the cash that I have in my bank accounts, plus all of the investments or assets that I have in one place, which equates to a $210,000 net worth. And all of the wealth that I've made so far has came primarily through social media. So what I'm pretty known for is posting juggling videos on the internet. I have 501,000 followers on Instagram, and these videos is one of my main sources of revenue. I also run some other channels like this one called Money Mind News, as well as some other channels on the side. And just last year alone, this was able to make me $115,000 in profit. And so if we sort my TikTok by oldest, we can see the start of my channel. Now, I don't know why a lot of these thumbnails are looking all weird, but at the very start of my channel, the stuff that I was posting was so bad compared to what it is now. I mean, if you watch this video, you can see I'm literally just in my room juggling. There's just like an audio playing, no voice, and in every single video I would literally click record and step away from the camera, and that would be the start of every single video. I knew nothing about hooks, being good on camera, anything like that. This was basically like a dude with no camera skills just posting on the internet, seeing if anything would happen, and that's when I started trying a bunch of different random things. Again, I don't know why the thumbnails are being weird, but I would post stuff like this, where I'm saying day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4 of juggling until Yeet invites me to be in a music video. And I kept doing stuff like this until I finally had my first viral video ever, which was this one right here, where I just juggled as normal, but I had some controversial text on the screen. All it said was, imagine if the algorithm awarded talent. And then I started doing a video where I juggled on screen. This was my first start of realizing that if I actually change around how I make the video or how much controversy is in it or what people are inspired to comment about, that can vastly change how people actually react to the video, how they engage with it, and how viral it can actually go. From there, I started posting more and more regularly, and I still wasn't sure if this was something that I could do until I started getting more viral formats and realizing, okay, for me to actually make this into something full time or to actually make a real income from this, I need to be posting on every single platform. I knew people were making money from YouTube and from Snapchat, and I didn't know if people were making money from Instagram or not yet. So I figured, let me take the content that I'm posting and make sure it gets posted to every single platform. And at first, I was kind of annoyed because I didn't want to manually post to every single one of these platforms, but I did want to try to get monetized on Snapchat, for example. Today, I actually am monetized on Snapchat, and if you see this little star next to my name, that's actually something that I was chasing for a really long time because it's pretty hard to get. But I knew I had to post to these platforms, so I was like, what should I do to try to post to every single platform and get monetized on them and make money like you can see here from YouTube? And the answer ended up being that I could use a tool called repurpose.io to do this all for me. So I'll leave the link to this in the description. You can use it 100% for free to start. And basically what it lets you do is it lets you set up automations between platforms. So at the time, my main social media platform was TikTok, which I post to as my main platform. And then I automatically reposted my videos to every single other social media platform. So this included Instagram, YouTube, Snapchat, Pinterest, and X. And also Facebook, by the way. Now I post to Instagram as my main platform, so that automatically posts to Facebook and Threads for me, and then Repurpose still automatically reposts these videos to X, Pinterest, Snapchat, YouTube, and TikTok. And I've actually conveniently put in one document, which will be in the description, how getting monetized on every single one of these platforms actually works. So this document right here, the social media monetization cheat sheet, gives you a cheat sheet of what it takes to actually get monetized on every single platform, and then how much money you'll actually make per 1,000 views that you get on every single one of these platforms. But yeah, I started using Repurpose to post it, and that's how I started getting monetized on every single other platform. I got monetized on Snapchat. It took around a year, but I ended up getting monetized on YouTube as well. And I grew my Instagram to over 500,000 followers, which is now a primary source of revenue for me because it drives a lot of sales to my business. And so ever since this became a real source of income, I started really getting very serious about strategizing and doing my content properly. So now it looks something a lot more like this, where I loop my content into all the videos that I have to do in a week. I have someone who scripts out the ideas for me. And then once we script them, he moves it to here. Then once they're ready to be filmed, they're moved into here. And then I can just film everything that needs to be filmed in one singular easy place. So that's made my life a lot easier. And it's been a wild ride in basically the past 2 years, going from knowing nothing about social media to trying to turn this into a full-time income, which I'm now able to do. So I hope this video actually gave you some inspiration on your specific journey and how you want to take social media. With that being said, our mission with this channel is to give you guys inspiration and knowledge to help you guys grow on social media. So if we achieve that mission, make sure to leave a like on this video. And as always, thank you guys all so much for watching. I'll catch you all in the next video, and peace.